Back in the space station. Been a while. Not really done anything astronomy related, apart from with some other things. But you will see in front of me these two little gadgets. So I use these two little gadgets for doing night lapse photography, which, if you don't know, is where you have a long exposure you do at night. So I use GoPros. I also have a box cutter and a box. Now, what do we think is in the box? You'll tell by the title of the bloody video, but I'm opening a box with a box cutter and I've nearly cut my hand off. Right, well, oh, it's upside down, I guess. Right. So, anyway, box. Oh, can stop in a box. There's an SD card in the box, so that will give you an idea as to what might be in the rest of the box. See, and some packaging. Throw box away. Right, box is gone. So, the good people at GoPro sent me one of these, which I paid for with my own money. So I thought it'd be fun to, packaging be gone, unbox it for you live. Well, not live because it's recording, but it's the 14th of October. So I believe they're not shipping these now till the 31st of October or the 20th, something like that. I think Amazon says they're not available till the 20th. But I ordered mine on the day it was released, so it's arrived today. So I'm going to open the box. Nice little tab. Tab on the floor. Undo the flaps. Cool. That's clever. Ready? I love the GoPro boxes. They're always useful for keeping rain off your GoPros or anything else. That can go over there. So, they always put this stupid thing on that you can't get off. One of these. There we go, right. One spanking shiny new GoPro Hero 8. Let's put that back over there for a minute so you can see what you get in the box. Christ, shitloads. Alright, so you get a card for GoPro Plus. So you can upload, it's unlimited storage. And I believe, is it GoPro Plus? You can get free camera replacement. It's £5.99 in English pounds a month, something like that. Instructions on how to use your GoPro and mount it, and where to get the GoPro app from. Have any questions? Yes, GoPro, when are you going to release a camera which has got a 1-inch sensor that is also capable of doing night lapse, unlike the Sony's RX02, which is a 1-inch sensor but only does a half-second exposure, so not very good. And then a book which we won't bloody read. Oh. We get the battery, so you'll notice that the battery is now got a lovely blue top on it. So it's compatible with the 5, 6 and 7, so that's always handy. Apparently the batteries from the 5, 6 or 7 also are compatible with the 8, but you won't get the stabilisation working properly. A curved mount, which is annoying that they don't provide a flat mount. USB-C lead, always handy, got about 15 million of those. And that's all that's in the box. But hey, we've had a good run so far. We've got a USB lead, a battery, a curved helmet mount, an SD card, which, oh, by the way, if you buy from, knock that over, if you buy stuff from GoPro.com or, whatever their website is, they send you a free SD card, 32 gig SanDisk Extreme, so it will cope with the 4K recording. Fantastic. So I thought it'd be fun to see what the different sizes are compared to an older model GoPro. And of course, what I really bought this for is I don't do any kind of action sport because, well, look at me. I will mainly use this for time lapses. I'm hoping to go to Norway in the new year to capture some of the northern lights and your aurora borealis, and hopefully go on a sled ride with some huskies, which I promise I will not bring home. I will certainly try. Anyway, nice little flaps, great. It's a little bit taller than the Hero 5. The Hero 5 is the same as the 5, 6 and 7. Oh, by the way, Trooper have a new bottle, which is obviously a beer, which is very nice. But each bottle cap is a different Iron Maiden album, so that's something to bear in mind if you like beer. Buy Trooper, support Iron Maiden, and obviously the brewery that make it, and you get to collect bottles and bottle caps if you're into that kind of thing. Anyway, back to the GoPro. Right, so yeah, so it is taller than a Hero 5, 6 and 7, and a little tad wider, but it is apparently slimmer. And it is, look. I don't know if you can see the profile there, if I can get those right. But it is slimmer. It's also a lot lighter as well. Lighter than I was expecting it to be. Obviously, compare it to the Hero 4, the thing's bloody massive. About the same depth-wise, but it is bigger. This is Hero 4 Silver. I always use this as my main night lapse camera for some reason. I just like it because it's small. I like the menu, it's easy to use, and I always find with the Hero 5 for some reason that it picks up infrared a little bit more, which you would say is great for astrophotography, but when you have infrared security lights, it seems to like to pick those up. Anyway, so there's some GoPros, and there's a new GoPro. I will charge the thing for its recommended charging time, which I don't know how long that might possibly be. Probably 3 or 4 hours or something like that. And if we ever get a clear night in the UK, I will be setting this up, all 3 of them, and probably along with a Git Up Git 2, and we'll do some night lapses and compare to see if there's any difference between them. Is it worth buying a Hero 8 compared to a 5, 6 or 7, or even a Hero 4 Silver for doing night lapses? Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, thumbs up, subscribe and all that jazz, and